Hi, this is Darshan Bhatt from Glovista Investments with a market update for the week of May 3rd. This past week, although global equities closed flat to slightly down, they kept a strong month of April for global risk indices. More specifically, the S&P 500 index closed up 2 basis points and the Nasdaq index closed down 58 basis points for the week. From a style perspective, value indices outperformed growth indices and international equities underperformed US equities. This week's major developments centered around number one, a confirmation of a continuation of a cyclical upturn in global activity, as evidenced by developed market PMI indicators. Number two, Biden administration's introduction of an American Family Plan, which seeks to provide further assistance to American families funded by an increase in taxation, including capital gains tax. Such capital gains tax, if passed, would have a disproportionate impact on growth stocks owing to their larger unrealized gains accumulated over the years of outperformance versus their value peers. And number three, robust earnings season, where of the 60% of the S&P 500 companies that have reported earnings so far, 86% of the companies have beat their consensus estimates by a factor of around 23%. Moreover, the forward guidance provided by these companies continues to be constructive as well. As we look to the week ahead, we think the equity markets could have a bit of a pullback as the strong fundamental data, both on the macro and earnings side, is offset by seasonality, as well as bullish investor positioning, as evidenced in the low levels of VIX index and wall-of-wall indicators. We continue to favor value indices and markets, including US financials, emerging market equities, and select US large-cap growth stocks. From a macro calendar perspective, this week will bring about release of several PMI indicators across emerging markets, US ISM manufacturing, US durable goods orders, US non-farm productivity, and US April payrolls. Out of Germany, we will see German factory orders, German March retail sales, as well as industrial production. In addition, the earnings season continues in full swing with more than 130 S&P 500 companies scheduled to report earnings this week. We wish you all the best and thank you for listening.